Do you know that moms can make special milk just for their babies? It's called breastfeeding, and it's super important to help babies grow strong and healthy. So when a mom decides to breastfeed, it means she's feeding her baby milk from her body. This milk has all kinds of important things that help babies grow and stay healthy. Cool, right? Now let's look at a few helpful tips for moms who are just starting to breastfeed. Ready? Here we go. Tip 1. Feed often. Babies love milk and they get hungry often. So moms try to feed their babies about 8 times a day. This helps the mom make more milk for the baby. Tip 2. Find the right position. The baby needs to be in a comfortable position while feeding. Moms hold their babies close so both mom and baby feel cozy. Tip 3. Watch for happy baby signs. When a baby drinks enough milk, they'll have wet diapers and look happy and full. That's a sign that the mom's milk is helping the baby grow. Tip 4. Keep feeding to make more milk. The more moms feed their babies, the more milk their bodies will make. This is like magic. So keeping up with feeding is important. Tip 5. Be ready for growth spurts. Sometimes babies go through times when they need more milk to grow fast. Moms may notice that the baby is hungry more often during these times. It's all part of the baby's growth. Isn't it amazing how moms feed their babies and help them grow? Breastfeeding is a wonderful way for moms and babies to be close and happy together. Thanks for learning with us. Please like and subscribe. Remember, babies need lots of love, and breastfeeding is one way moms show their love. See you next time, friends.